To employ something for a purpose. Use a tool, use a phone, use a method. She uses a phone to check her emails. We use a method to analyze the data. To consume or utilize something. Use energy, use water, use resources. Try not to use too much water while washing dishes. The company uses a lot of energy for production. To exploit or take advantage of something. Use an opportunity, use a situation, use someone. He used the opportunity to showcase his skills. Don't use people just for your own benefit. To indicate a habit or past action. Used to, be used to. I used to play soccer every weekend. She is used to waking up early. Common collocations with use. Make use of, put to use, be of use, find a use for #. We need to make use of available technology. The old furniture was put to use in the new house. Let me know if this information is of use to you. I finally found a use for my old laptop.